Hey guys, once again welcome back to our channel Creation. So friends, how are you all? I hope all will be well. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs shown to people in it. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. Ameen. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet cushion covers and sofa covers designs. Please like the video and share it with your friends and family members. You can get many ideas from my video, so friend, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch any videos related to crochet, visit my channel. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in a next video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you guys are interested in my videos, you can follow my channel Creation. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Stay with me. Will remember in prayer, and bye.